Good morning to Sir Safi and to all my friends that are watching this video right now. My name is Melvin Asrin with matrix number 07 DKM20F1016. I'm here with my group member, which is Krisli Ivan, Muhammad Azmi and Sulaiman bin Najrif. Today we will be presenting about case study, which is the title is The Environment Issues, a case study. I will start with the abstract. Thousands of studies conducted by researchers around the world have documented increases in temperature at Earth's surface, as well as in the atmosphere and oceans. Many other aspects of global climate are changing as well. High temperature extremes and heavy precipitation events are increasing. Glaciers and snow cover are shrinking, and sea ice is retreating. Seas are warming, rising and becoming more acidic, and flooding is become more frequent along the US coastline. Growing seasons are longer and large wildfires occur more frequently. Many species are moving to new locations, and changes in the seasonal timing of important biological events are occurring in response to climate.
Introduction. What is environment? An environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living or non-living things such as soil, water, animal, plant, which adapt themselves to their surrounding. It is nature gift that help in nurturing life on the earth. Environment issues are the harmful effect of human activities on the environment. These include pollution and various environment protection programs are being practiced at the individual, organization and government levels, with the aim of establishing a balance between man and environment. Our environment faces several problems, and many these seem to be worsening with time, bring us into a time of a true environmental crisis. It is therefore becoming increasingly important to raise awareness of the existence of this issue, as well as what can be done to reduce their negative impact.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Sulaiman bin Nazrif. I'm from DKM Fawabi. My matrix number is 07 DKM20F1048. Okay, I'll be presenting about the findings. 1. Malaysia has a lengthy history of environmental pollution issues. Environmental pollution and ecological deterioration have remained important issues that have wreaked havoc on the economy and people's quality of life. Landslide in Kuala Lumpur, smoke on the north-south highway in Kuala Lumpur in 2005 owing to forest fires in Sumatra, Indonesia, and more recently a flash flood in Shah Alam in Kuala Lumpur from 2006 until 2007 have opened many eyes in Malaysia, particularly among the authorities and the general public, as environmental challenge become everyone's responsibility. A blame game arising from this situation is not expected to arise as a result. If development is to be sustainable, it must reduce the weight of environmental impact. Be presenting about the discussions. Okay, this research is about the major environment issues that we have, especially talk about major environment issues in Malaysia. Firstly, the issues that are popular in Malaysia is air pollution. The contributors to these issues are mostly from the factory and car smoke. Uncontrolled smoke emission that cause air to be polluted. Second issues are global warming. One causes the contributors to global warming are manufacturing goods, manufacturing and industries, produce emission mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, iron, steel, electronic, plastic, cloth, aids, and other goods. The third issue that we found water pollution. As we know, air pollution mostly caused by factories. Some goes to water pollution. It comes from speed.
Conclusion. As a conclusion, facility manager, innovator, builder, designer, and other built environment consultants should concern with environmental protection and sustainability as to re-evaluate and reconsider national, local development policies and training activities. It can be seen that poor environmental condition is occur due to the several factors such as general lack of environmental concern, lack of environmental plans, policies, and activities. With the increased awareness of environmental issues, the level of environmental disclosure and stakeholder demand for environmental information increasing. Regulation in Malaysia like ISO 14000 and 14001 and EQA 1974 standard must be well established by all, achieve meaningful improvement. Facilities manager must obtain adequate knowledge and develop appropriate concern for environmental issues. In addition, hotel managers should be eager to accommodate the necessary fund to develop and implement state-of-the-art environmental program.
After that is recommendation. An alternative or solution that should be adopted is to reduce the use of paper. Excessive use of paper can cause environmental pollution to increase and spread. For example, for the manufacture of paper, mature trees should be cut down to produce paper. The effect obtained by the felling of tree is an increase in the temperature of the earth. Besides, it can also cause the highland to collapse. Humans will also receive side effects such as lack of oxygen and can get sick as a result of the haze. Reduction of paper production can reduce pollution to the environment, as well as the effect can affect the health and safety of humans as mentioned above. Lastly is implementation. Malaysia faces several environmental issues. The Malaysian environment has mega diverse biological diversity with globally significant endemins and biodiversity, but threatened by a number of issues. Deforestation is a major issue in the country that has caused many endangered species. As a major economic sector, palm oil production has a significant environmental impact. Air pollution is also a major issue, with the country among the countries most affected by the seasonal Southeast Asian haze. The country is also affected by climate change, but there are organizations that are responsible in this regard.